Now we're doing the blue one. So next time you're doing a party, you can use these. Add these up in there.
Once you see the strings, as long as you see the strings, yeah.
And right now we're looking at the voltage.
I put it in the middle.
We put it in the middle. Fuse goes in here when it burns out. And you got your minimum, your temperature high. You put it max. Your power button, and how much voltage we're actually getting. Put it too hot, no?
It is.
It's a little compartment. I didn't even know about this, so you can put the rest of the stuff in there. That's pretty cool.
Just put some in while spinning. No, because the sugar goes everywhere.
There it goes. You gotta get closer, a little closer. There you go. Spin it. Start spinning it. Start spinning it too. The stick. Slowly, slowly, slowly. Not too fast.
I don't know why it's going in my face.
It's very cool.
Anybody can enjoy it. Tell me, what do you think about the machine? How easy was it to use?
I recommend wearing gloves so the sugar doesn't hit you while it's hot. But besides that, it's really easy to use. You just keep spinning in the opposite way it spins, and it makes it really good cotton candy. This came out perfect.
You see that one? Taste it.
Okay.
You're getting good.
It's good. Did you taste it? Is it good? All right. All right. Whose is that for?
Who wanted vanilla?
Oh, get it.
Let me eat that guy.
What's this one?
Who wants that one? Give it to her. She says there.
Taste it.
Taste
Daddy,
it.
let the first bite.
Delicious.
Let me see. Taste it. How is it? How is it? It's good? All right. Spin it, spin. The last of it.
Oh, look at all that eggs. You're supposed to go like that.
Thank you, Harley.
Wow.
Thank you.
Let's see. Taste it.
Is it good? Give them a thumbs up.
All right, next.